Good evening to one and all present over here, respected guest, esteemed speaker, dear participants. On behalf of Gandhi Institute of Excellent Technocrats, I extend a warm and heartfelt welcome to all of you to this faculty development program organized under the ATAL Academy initiative. It's an honor to have such a distinguished group of educators, researchers, and experts with us today. The primary aim of this program to empower and enhance the teaching skill and technical knowledge of faculty members in various academic fields through a series of engaging sessions. Now, we are grateful for the presence of our esteemed chief guest, Mr. Sushil Kumar Sharma, whose expert will guide us throughout this program. Our guest of honor, Dr. S.S. Mohapatra, NIT Rourkela, who will educate us in this FDP program. I would like to encourage all of you to take the full advantage of this session, interact with our expert, and collaborate with our fellow participants. This is opportunity to learn, share ideas, and network with everyone. Now, I request our HOD and coordinator of this program, Professor Dr. Mamuni Arya, to welcome all of us, all of the chief guests and principal. Please, madam.
Very good evening, everyone. Very good evening, everyone. Respected chief guest, Mr. Sushil Kumar Sharma, our guest of honor, Dr. S.S. Mohapatra, esteemed Vice Chairman, Sir, Engineer Ramnarayana Sabath, Principal, Sir, Dr. Subrajit Pradhan, and the esteemed faculty members and my dear participant. It is both an honor and a privilege to be here today as we gather for this faculty development program organized by G.I.E.T, Gandhi Institute of Excellent Technocrats, Gangopatana, Bhubaneswar. Sponsored by AICTE, Teaching and Learning. I would like to begin by extending my sincere gratitude to the AICTE for sponsoring to G.I.E.T Gangopatana, Bhubaneswar. As an educator, we are tasked with not just imparting the knowledge, but also inspiring the next generation of leaders, innovators, and thinkers. In a time of rapid technology and the advancement in the global challenges, it is essential to focus, continuously evolve, to adopt the new technology. So this FDP, the topic of this FDP is Advanced Manufacturing in the context of Industry 4.0 and Industry 5.0. It is a 6 days online program. The main thought of this program will have the chance to deliver the advanced topics. This FDP is an opportunity to grow our horizons and enhance our skill set. The exchange of the ideas, the sharing of the experience, the exposure to the new concept, and all designed to empower us to improve our teaching methods. So I'm very happy to share that 227 participants are registered for this FDP for the topic of advanced manufacturing in the context of Industry 4.0 and the Industry 5.0. And thank you, AICTE, to sponsor us. And now, I would like to hand over to Amit Jain Misra. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for your valuable words. Now, I would like to request our Dean Academics of this esteemed institution, Professor Shivabrata Mohanty, to share some words.
So good evening, one and all present over here. So I heartily welcome to all to this ATAL FDP program. So let me briefly tell something related to our institute. So G.I.T. Gangapatna Bhubaneswar was established in 2009. So we have accredited NAC A plus, NBA for two departments, that is CSE and mechanical engineering. And with this, we have got various recognition award from various institute. So I will have the privilege to be the part of this ATAL FDP program, which is organized by Department of Mechanical Engineering. So not wasting much more time, we are eager various input from all the speakers which present over here. So thank you very much for giving me the opportunity. I hope these 6 days will obviously going to give a lot of input to this particular FDP program. So lastly, I would like to thanks to our chief guest and guest of honor and all the keynote speaker for this particular FDP, which is going to organize starting from this 17 up to 22 February 2025. So thank you very much for attending this FDP. So I wish this FDP will be a grand success. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your valuable words. Now, I would like to request our Honorable Principal, Dr. Subrajit Pradhan, to share some words. Please, sir.
Thank you, Amit sir. Good evening to all. On behalf of
Good evening, sir.
Very good evening, sir.
thank you. On behalf of G.I.T. Gangapatna Bhubaneswar, I'd like to welcome all the research persons, participants, organizing committee to this 6 days online FDP program under AICTE training and learning ATAL on advanced manufacturing in the context of Industry 4.0 and Industry 5.0. At first, I'd like to welcome our chief guest of this program, Mr. Sushil Kumar Sharma, CEO.
Good evening, sir.
With short period of time, he has accepted our invitation. I'd like to request you, sir, kindly visit our campus whenever coming to the Bhubaneswar. You are heartily welcome to our campus, sir.
I will definitely do it, sir.
I'd like to welcome our guest of honor, Dr. S.S. Mahapatra, sir. He is our mentor. He used to guide us always at any moment of time. And again, I'd like to thank, with his busy schedule, he is given his consent to be the part of the guest of honor as well as the resource person of this program. In addition to that, I'd like to thank all the resource person highlighting the points. People are from G.I.T. Vellore, Dr. R. Vasudevan, Dr. Kamalakanta Mudali from Papua New Guinea, University of Technology, Dr. Ritu Maiti from CTDC, Dr. R. Manomohan from G.I.T. Vellore, Dr. Vishwajit Sahu from SP INC Bangalore, Dr. S. Venukumar from Lab in charge NMDC Steel Limited India, Dr. Pallav Sharma from South Africa, Johannesburg, South Africa, Dr. Devasi Jena, IIIT Bhubaneswar, Dr. Tarek Dora from IIT Guwahati. Every participant understands here we have a mixture of academician, industry people, and the people from the different software company also. Why? Because this FD program will give you the new highlights on the trends of Industry 4.0 and Industry 5.0, which is a demanding thing in our current situation. Once again, I'd like to thank the organizing committee, all the resource person, all the participants for accepting our invitation and joining in our ATAL FD program. At last, I'd like to thank AICTE. This is the third ATAL FD program in our campus. 2 already we have completed in offline mode. One by the department by MBA, another by department EC, and this is the third ATAL FD program for our institute. I'd like to thank AICTE for giving the approval for conducting the program in our campus. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your valuable words. Now, I would like to welcome our guest of honor, Dr. Shiva Shankar Mahapatra, who is the professor in National Institute of Technology, Rourkela, who have completed his PhD from IIT Kharagpur, and he has an expertise in additive manufacturing, non-traditional machining, soft computing, prediction tools, non-traditional optimization, modeling and simulation, expertise in imperial modeling. He has more than 356 publications in his name, where he has published 36 national journals and more than 200 international conferences. He has more than 9,500 citations in his name. Presently working in the NIT Rourkela. So it's my privilege to welcome our guest of honor, Dr. S.S. Mahapatra, to share his valuable thoughts. Now, please, sir, please share your valuable thoughts.
Namaskar. Namaskar. Good evening to one and all.
Namaskar, sir.
Namaskar. Respected today's chief guest, Mr. Sushil Kumar Sharma, who works in environment and who have a lot of contact, and we follow his Twitter and Instagram, then WhatsApp stuffs. Is a well-known figure in the country as a environmental educator and activist. Then the vice chairman of Gandhi Institute of Excellent Technocrats, Engineer Ramnaran Sawat, Professor Subhrojit Pradhan, Principal G.I.T. Patna, Professor Sivabrata Mahanti, Dean Academics, G.I.T. Patna, HOD and coordinator of this program, Dr. Mamani Arya, and Dr. Manas Kumar Sahu, who is also the coordinator of this program. Thanks for giving the opportunity to share some of my ideas with all the participants and the organizers. Definitely, I am having a session around 6:30, so I will not take much of time. But the thing is, in the today's challenging world, it is not that the teaching, learning capability you have to develop. Rather, you have to develop the skill. So we can beat the other technically advanced countries if we develop the skills, we adapt the skills, and work continuously towards achieving something, achieving a greater height, greater success. Unless we develop the skills, it is very difficult for us to grow. We have seen in the last 50 years that our education policy has not been changed. We are continuously in the same process from the elementary education to technical education. What you find that we just mug up the things, we learn the things and mug up. And at the examination, we just write and get the scores. So there is hardly any opportunity for skilling ourselves. But the things have been changed with the implementation of new education policy 2020. Lot of things, the changes are visible. We see that people emphasize or focus more on innovation, more on startup, and more on skill development. And government is also promoting all these things through different types of seminars, workshops, and different programs. So now, as a technocrat, we have the challenge how to observe the technology. It is not that we will get the knowledge from somebody and just continue that and sit on that. We will not improve on that. We have to develop some innovative ideas how to improve upon that so that we can build that organization where we have borrowed the technology. That is what is needed. And so things are available. Say sensors, network, everything is available. Only thing what we need to how to integrate them and how to use them for the for business purpose and for societal purpose. This is what is needed. So such type of programs like ATAL programs, what G.I.E.T is conducting now, and principal has told that G.I.E.T has conducted 3 programs in a series, and this is one where it is focused on mechanical engineering and the very interesting topic that is Industry 4.0 and 5.0. When we talk about Industry 4.0 or 5.0, we see a lot of robots, automation, sensors, this, that, and we're just puzzled what it is, how it is working, and why, and what advantage we will get, and what is the problem with the conventional factories. What is there? Why that revolution has taken place, what we call Industry 4.0 or 5.0. So we have to think why that has happened, why that is needed in the society, and how our with the advent of these technologies, how the society has transformed and how we will contribute to that. So these are the challenges we have to think and we have to improve upon that. And such type of programs, we will listen to many many speakers. We have to learn, and I request all the participants in this program, once you get the basic ideas and learn something, try to implement them and try to get more, and you should be expert in that. You develop some sort of expertise. That is what is needed today. Okay, so with this, because there are a lot of time has been consumed. 6:30 it should be completed. So I stop here, and I wish all success in this great program. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for enlightening us with your valuable words. Now, I would like to welcome our chief guest, Mr. Sushil Kumar Sharma, who is an industry veteran with extensive experience at NTPC Limited and currently serves as the CEO of Sustainco. He is a highly sought after speaker at various IITs and IIMs. Sushil sir, He is a certified sustainability and business excellence assessor and energy auditor. Trained as an electrical engineer, he graduated from Government Engineering College, Jabalpur in 1983. A fellow of the Institution of Engineers, he has presented and published several highly acclaimed technical and management papers in renowned national and international conferences and journals. It's our privilege that he offered he allowed us to be the chief guest in the ATAL FDP. Now, I would like to request Sushil Kumar Sharma sir to say some valuable words and enlighten us.
Very good evening, the fraternity present today in inaugural program and the faculties across country who are participating in this 6 days, I will say, skill enriching and learning and refreshing program. Let me begin with expressing my sincere gratitude and thanks to Dr. S.S. Mahapatra sir, who is very active and with whom my communications keep live many a times. Let me express my gratitude to Engineer Ramanarayan Sabat, Vice Chairman, G.I.E.T, Professor Mohanty, Dean Academics, Dr. Pradhan, Principal, and Dr. Mamuni Arya, who spoke to me early in the morning today again. So thank you everyone, the entire organizing committee. Let me begin with saying my original feeling once I saw the campus, though virtually. To me, it appears it is one of the best nurtured and maintained campus. G.I.E.T getting 3 programs from AICTE for faculty development in itself speaks a lot. Let me say that I am very much impressed with the institute name, Gandhi Institute of Excellent Technocrats. Generally, we see technology, but here it's technocrat and excellent, which derives from excellence. So before I take up technical part, let me express myself. What does excellence means to me? And I'm sure most of you will agree with. Excellence is the result of caring more than others think is wise, risking more than others think is safe, dreaming more than others think is practical, and expecting more than others think is possible. And I can say with conviction that G.I.E.T is attempting to realize all these elements of excellence. Coming back to the campus and the topic. Topic is apt, timely, and very much needed for our country. Advanced manufacturing in the context of Industry 4 and Industry 5. Each of one very frequently listens energy transition. What about industry transition? I will throw a light on industrial transition, how energy and industrial transition are going hand in hand. The ongoing decade 2021-2030 is being celebrated as the International Decade of Ecosystem Restoration under the aegis of United Nations. That means globally ecosystems are damaged to great extent.
His PhD in Industrial Engineering from Indian Institute of Technology. He is specialized in manufacturing technology, operations management, plant preventive maintenance. Overall, he is having 19 years of teaching experience. And his total publication is 168, journal articles is 96. He has also written 14 number of books. He is also given 36 conferences and 22 book chapters. So we are very happy and we are immense pleasure to hear him. Sir, please continue the session. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thanks, madam. Let me see first how it works. So is it visible now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
The full screen is also visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. So before starting the session, I would like to thank for the organizers of this FDP, that is management of Gandhi Institute of Excellent Technocrat and the Department of Mechanical Engineering and the entire management, because see, by this kind of faculty development programs, these are aimed at exchange of ideas and knowledge sharing. It doesn't mean that you will take, I don't guarantee that it will be delivered a big amount of new knowledge, but some kind of things that may help you to utilize and
put it surrounding. So there is a great impact to global warming. So it's more industry 5.0, more talking about this global warming, how you can reduce the carbon rate, how you can reuse that material, how you can, is there any material waste, how you can reuse it. Okay. So it is because of and workforce impact. It's a job loss due to automation. We have seen that after COVID. So we have seen that in many cases. So it should be increased role of humans in the process. Means humans, the robot should understand the what human is thinking, and humans should understand the how robot is functioning. So in that way, that industry 5.5 will work. And it will impact on the production, efficient mass production, more flexible and adaptive production. Means you can, how you can reuse the material. It's most talking about the industry 5.5. Yes, this, and we'll move it to this 3D printing. And and it is also called as additive manufacturing. So let me talk about this and how it is used in. They are used in this technology used in various applications and medical industries, and so what not, where it covers almost, it's not only engineering, it's covering the architecture, it covers the aerospace, and it's a consumer jewelry application, dental applications, and medical fields and academic institution, because the students are doing this many projects. So they have to do small prototype, and they can't go and any industry at that product. So for specific small prototypes, you can easily make in this 3D printing. And it's not only that, many industry business machines, they are using this. And GE has already invested a huge amount in this 3D printing. They are manufacturing by using this EBM and DED process, that gas turbines, and they are huge development in the biomedical applications, used in dental application, and many prototypes, prosthetic applications. Means so those who are not with the hand and leg. So it's a specific product, right? It's not possible by the conventional manufacturing process, but by the 3D printing you can easily replace it with this, and it will cover in many applications. So it is not only this, it's even it's civil engineering application also, many constructions also they are developed. It's under still it's under research. Okay, so what's is it? What if you before going to the in detail? So what is the distinction between the additive manufacturing and CNC machine? For example, so let me see this first one. It's a CNC machine. For example, I want this product, right? So if I want this product, so how you can, you have to first you have to take that raw material, right? And then you have to, so in and surroundings of 8 faces, it's a cube 6 faces. So there is a hole, you have to use a drill bit and you have to drill it, and there is, then you will get the final product. There's a lot of wastes, right? The waste of materials is various. But if you,
Good evening to all present over. On behalf of Mechanical Department, I, Saroj Kumar Das, Assistant Professor, G.I.T. Gangapatana, Bhubaneswar, would like to welcome you all on this 5th day of online ATAL FDP. As usual, we have 2 sessions. It's our honor to have Dr. Pallab Sharma as a resource person on the first session. Let me have a brief introduction of Mr. Dr. Pallab Sharma. Dr. Pallab Sharma, associated with the Department of Mechanical and Industrial Engineering Technology at University of Johannesburg, South Africa. Before this, he was serving as a postdoctoral fellow at IIT Guwahati, India. He earned his PhD in the area of metal matrix composite and modern machining process from NIT Silchar, India in the year 2023. He completed his MTech from NERIST, Arunachal Pradesh, India, with a specialization in computer integrated manufacturing and automation in the year 2017. He has 7 years of experience in research fields. He has published various articles in the area of composite materials, manufacturing, and modern machining processes, including international journals, books chapter, and conferences proceedings. He has also supervised master's candidate and bachelor students project work on advanced machining and composite manufacturing. So with this, I would like to hand over the session to Dr. Pallab Sharma. Sir.
Very good evening to everyone, one and all present here.
Good evening,
First
sir.
of all, this is the second time session with G.I.T. Initially, I was delivered a keynote speech in the international conference. So this is the second time I'm associated with your program. And first of all, thank you everyone for inviting me. And also, I will be very grateful to associate it with your FDP program. So now I am continuing my presentation. So my screen is visible to everyone. I'm just sharing the screen.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Thank you. It's coming full screen now.
No, sir. Not full screen.
Just check now. I think it's coming.
Working at the intersection of material science, computational mechanics, and continuum mechanics. Now I hand over the session to Dr. Tarkesh Dorapalli, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much for the kind introduction. I would like to thank Professor Amit Vishwal for the kind introduction, and Dr. Sahu and Dr. Mamuni Arya for organizing this FDP program. It's a nice opportunity to get interacted and also share some of my research work. So today here I'll be presenting on digital twin of glass lens molding process. So I'll be explaining what is basic of idea of digital twin, and how in industries they use this for saving their money by using the digital twin models. And I'll be explaining about the glass lens molding process. In order to develop a digital twin model, what all challenges you come across, and what all skill set is needed. You will get to know while I present the details of this topic. So my name is Tarkesh, and I am working as an assistant professor. I am leading this microsolidics group, where we focus on multi-scale modeling, simulations, and so on. I'll give you a brief background of my research work. So before I move ahead into the topic, I'll just like to introduce our university. So IIT Guwahati is located in the northeastern region of India here, which is quite far from the other parts of the India. Yeah, you also get an opportunity if you join this institute. You get an opportunity to access the neighboring countries as well. It's quite nearby. And yeah, it's quite interesting place. So here you can see the picture of our department, and we also come in QS World University ranking. So I would like to share some pictures of our university. So here you can see it is surrounded by lakes. We have a nice campus. You have a relaxing environment to focus on work. Here is the residential zone, and this is the hostel zone, so which is nearby that you can find lakes. So after a busy hectic day, you can have a nice relaxation. Coming to the next part, this is the admin, or this is the admin building of the university, which is surrounded by mountains. And yeah, the academic complex is more towards the left hand side. So in the department, we have I have colleagues, about 45 faculty members. So they all work on different research areas. So here I'm highlighting some of them. We have there are few faculties who work on computational mechanics, few on smart materials, electric vehicles, 3D printing, fluid mechanics, thermal engineering, robotics, data science, machine learning, machine design. So you name it, more or less you will find one or the other faculties working in that particular problem. Mechanical engineering department offers different programs, academic degrees. So bachelor's degree, we offer BTech in mechanical engineering, and the admission criteria is JEE Main and JEE Advanced. And we have masters in several, there are several programs here: aerodynamics, propulsion, and computational mechanics.
Thank you, the AICTE, to sponsor such kind of faculty development program. So this FDP was a 6 days online program. The main thought of this program have to chance to deliver the advanced topic, and this FDP was an opportunity to groom our horizons, enhance our skill set, the exchange of ideas and the sharing of experiences, the exposure to the new concept that we will utilize in our different fields, not only in the mechanical and manufacturing fields, rather than in computer science and the machine learning fields. So different varieties of design concept empowered to improve the design concept in industry field also we exposed in this faculty development program. So I would like to invite our principal sir to some words of this FDP program. So sir, please.
Thank you, ma'am. In the outset, I'd like to thank all the resource person for giving their time and explain the importance of the advanced manufacturing in the context of Industry 4.0 and 5.0. So it's a 6 days program. I hope all the participants from different part of the country are joined together and keeping faith on us. They have attended the program, they have attended the test, they are totally involved in this program. And I'd like to thank AICTE for giving us this opportunity for organizing this type of program in our campus. I'd like to thank all of our management for supporting us to conduct this kind of program in our campus. At last, a big thanks to the department, coordinator, co-coordinators, all faculty members. They have did really good work. Apart from the time period, they have stayed in the college up to 9 p.m. and they have conducted this program. Though it is a virtual one, but the background, the hard work the department has done, it is a great job. Once again, I'd like to thank everybody